Welcome back, gardeners! Today, we're focusing on one of the most important aspects of growing romaine lettuce, watering. Getting the balance just right between maintaining moisture and avoiding waterlogging is key to a healthy, productive crop. Romaine lettuce thrives in consistently moist soil, but it's important to avoid overwatering, which can lead to waterlogged roots and diseases like root rot. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist, allowing the roots to access water without sitting in it. Water your romaine lettuce early in the morning to give the plants time to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Use gentle methods like drip irrigation or a watering can with a fine spray to avoid disturbing the soil or splashing water on the leaves, which can lead to disease. Mulching around your romaine lettuce can help retain moisture in the soil and reduce the need for frequent watering. Keep an eye on the soil. If it starts to dry out, it's time to water again. But remember, less is more when it comes to avoiding waterlogged roots. With the right watering techniques, your romaine lettuce will stay healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy gardening!